Hello everyone, my name is Eugene First and this is lesson number 1 for grade 9 mathematics. This is my cell phone number in case you want to get in touch with me. In this lesson or in this video, we are going to look at the subtopic powers and roots and the numbers, which is topic number 1. Alright, so in this lesson or in this video, you are going to learn how to convert powers with positive, negative and zero indices to numbers. All right, and also vice versa, meaning vice versa means you are going to learn how to convert now numbers back to powers with positive, negative or zero indices. All right, now before we start doing any work, I think it's very important if I remind you of what is a power again. What is a power? Now a power, it's something that is written in this form. All right, so we have A with down and a little n on top. Now how do you read this, or what is this whole thing? So the whole thing is called the power, and the letter down here is called the base, and the little number or the little letter on top here will be called the index, or you can call it the exponent. Now how do you read this? You read it as a to exponent n, or you can just say a exponent n. So you read it as a raised to exponent n. So a is the base and n is the exponent of the index. All right, okay, let's continue. Now what if I have a exponent 2? What does it mean? It means you should multiply a 2 times. So you say a times a, and please not a plus a. Okay, because a plus a, this is something else. This is something else, not the same as a exponent 2. So I gave an example here. It's 4 exponent 2, so it means 4 times 4, which is 16, but not 4 plus 4, which is 8. All right, so this is not true at all, but it's 4 times 4. So you need to multiply. So the number on top here will tell you that you should multiply your base how many times. So if there was a 4 here, so let's say there was a 4 here. Let's put up a 4. Then it means we should multiply 4 by 4 by 4 by 4. So we should multiply the base 4 times. All right. Just quickly undo this. All right. Now let us continue. What if the exponent is a negative number? Because this is a positive number, right? What if the exponent is a negative number? What does it mean? All right, so it means this whole exponent or this power will become a fraction, will turn into a fraction. So you say 1 over a. Now what will happen to the minus and the negative, minus and the 1? All right, so this one is not this one, please. It is not that one. All right, so it is just that here this whole thing becomes 1 over a exponent 1. Now this one, it's a exponent 1. It's only that we don't put an exponent when the exponent it's a positive 1, we don't write it in mathematics. Okay, so that's why in this example, the one I gave in brackets here, I said 5 exponent negative 1 is the same thing as, or let me just put equal sign, not means but equal sign. It is equal to 1 over 5. Okay, what about if my exponent is a negative number, but now it's either 2 or 3? Now this means we can write it as 1 over a, but this time around it's positive 3. All right, just like here it's positive 1, but we don't put the 1. But because this is a number bigger than 1, we say positive a exponent positive 3. So the exponent becomes positive when the whole thing becomes a denominator, when this becomes a denominator. All right, so I'll give an example here. Example number 1, I have 7 exponent negative 4. It becomes 1 over 7 exponent, but this time around positive 4. Say that. So you can either leave it as an index notation like this, or you can write it in exponent notation, or you can write it as a whole number. But remember, it should be over 1. All right. Now, there's a section that I want you to look at, for those learners that have this study guide, these notes are coming from a study guide that I wrote. So let me just take you up. This study guide, grade 9 mathematics final examination preparation notes, and this study guide has old question papers with their answers as well. All right, so these notes are coming from this study guide. And also I have grade 9 physical science study guide, which is also available. It has also old question papers and answers. All right, so that's why this point has said please see point 13 section 2 of the study guide. Or if you are interested in buying the study guide, please contact me on my cell phone number. All right, example number 2. This time around I don't have just one number, I have a fraction. Not a big deal. What you need to do, you just flip the numbers. The numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator, but now the exponent will become a positive number. And remember, it's minus 1 is going to be positive 1, and if it's a 1, we don't write that number, we just leave it, we assume there's a positive 1 there. Okay, example number 3. This time around I have minus 2. Okay, so what is going to happen is that the 3 will become a denominator and the 4 will become a numerator, and the exponent will be positive. All right, so please, if you don't understand this, just comment in the box or contact me privately on WhatsApp so I can help you. All right, the next thing that we need to know is that any number raised to and a 0 exponent, when the exponent is 0, that number is equal to 1. Whether it's 1000 exponent 0, the answer will be 1. All right, so the example here is 6 exponent 0, which is 1. All right, the power of 2 means any number that can be written with the base of 2. So this is a base of 2. All right, because the base is 2. So 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So we can say that 8 is the base of 2 because it can be written with the base of 2. The power of 3 means any number that can be written with the base of 3. Example, 3 exponent 5. So this power is, remember that this, we call it the power. So this is a power of 3. Why a power of 3? Because the base is 3. So here, a exponent n is a power of a because a is the base. All right, now let us look at this activity. You should do this activity in your summary book or in your notebook. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a few of them and then you can continue. All right, so we want to write down all the powers of 2, meaning that we are going to write down from 2 exponent 1 up to 2 exponent 10. So I've done 2 exponent 1 for you and also 2 exponent 2 exponent 10, which is 1024. All right, now maybe I can also show you 2 exponent 2 up to 2 exponent. You can just allow me to do this, push it down. All right, then you move. All right, so here 2 exponent 2 means you should multiply 2 by itself, or you can multiply 2 twice. So that's 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 exponent 3 means 2 by 2 by 2. So this little number on top is telling you that you should multiply the base these times. All right, so that's why here 2 exponent 4, we should multiply that number 4 times. All right, and then for number 2, you write down all the powers of 3 from 3 exponent 1, which is equal to 3, to 3 exponent 5, which is 243. So you're going to write down all these things in your summary book. And then number 3, you do the same, but this time around is the powers of 5, 5 exponent 1, or 5 exponent 3, and then the last one is the powers of 10. All right, from 10 exponent 1 to 10 exponent 4. Please write down these answers in your summary book. You take a picture, you WhatsApp to me so I can confirm whether they are correct or you need to work them out again. Thank you for watching. Share this video with your friends. Do not hesitate to contact me on my cell phone number should you have any questions, and also leave a comment in the comment box. All right, see you in lesson number 2.